Yeah, about 1 mile. The trail's gonna curve more to the east, so we get a better push from all the nature. Pachamama. Alright, so that side is a little bit rougher. Bottom. And greatest salesman of the world, he said, if you ever feel it all powerful, try to stop the wind. Hey guys, the combination of the glass, combination of the trail, glass condition, the wind, wow, I've only been on the road 25 minutes, but I'm feeling it. I am feeling it, guys. At least now we're gonna get some wind, and yeah, it's already showing me showing me 440 as the ETA. So from the beginning we lost 2 minutes from 438. Well, here's something promising, guys, because we're gonna have the wind and the asphalt. Yes, puppy. Yeah. Oh, wow. So, guys, this is amazing. We got and we got a downhill decline. Yeah. Well, maybe we'll make up our 2 minutes now, because it does happen quickly. And here, actually, guys, I'm seeing like they've been around to fix the cracks here, even with fresh tar. So I must say, I must take my words back and say bravo, Illinois. Because yeah, even on the Missouri side, it was always paved, but there wasn't many repair works. In progress, like I see here. So yeah, well done, Illinois. So far so good, guys. All right, take my mask down again. So much nicer to breathe the fresh air here without the mask, but the mask is necessary, guys. Without the mask, you will return. I mean, guys, you probably seen yesterday on the video in the hotel from me being out in the 30s all day, even with the mask on. Towards the end, when I was coming home, when I was coming to the hotel, the old mask got wet, you know, so I started feeling it